Sani Usman Maikasuwa, you are highly welcome. I may like to ask you only 10 simple questions in social study in a single subject, in a single topic, which is Nigerian currency. Therefore, listen very carefully in order to hear and comprehend the question so that you answer me successfully. Question number 1. How many Naira notes do we have in Nigeria?
We have 8 Naira notes in Nigeria.
Question number 2. Can you mention them?
Yes, uncle.
Go on.
5 Naira, 10 Naira, 20 Naira, 50 Naira, 100 Naira, 200 Naira, 500 Naira, 1,000 Naira.
Very good. These are the 8 Naira notes we have in Nigeria. Question number 3. Which one is the smallest among them?
5 Naira.
Yes, the smallest among them is 5 Naira. Question number 4. Which one is the largest among them?
1,000 Naira.
Yes, the largest among the Nigerian Naira note is 1,000 Naira. Question number 5. Whose image appears on 100 Naira note?
Chief Obafemi Awolowo.
Yes, it's Chief Obafemi Awolowo. Question number 6. Who is in 500 Naira note?
Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe.
Yes, it's Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe. Question number 6. Number 6, Abi? Number 7. Question number 7. Who is in 200 Naira note?
Alhaji Sir Ahmadu Bello.
Yes, it's Alhaji Sir Ahmadu Bello. Then, who is in 20 Naira note?
General Murtala Muhammad.
Yes, it's General Murtala Muhammad. What of 5 Naira note?
Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa.
Yes, it's Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa. Who are shown on 1,000 Naira note?
Alhaji Aliyu Meberno. Adedokunle son.
Yes, these are those people that indicated on 1,000 Naira. Thank you for answering me all these questions. Do you have something more to tell the audience?
Yes, uncle.
Okay, tell them.